Video 3. So after we got the media set into the cutter and we've got it straight back here, the next thing to know is about the cutter itself. We've got pinch wheels and we need to have a pinch wheel outside of the first crop mark, and that pinch wheel must be engaged. When I say engaged, is on the back of the cutter. You need to pinch these two pieces together. Pinch these two pieces together to make sure it's engaged and it's going to be used. You do have where you can go further to the right, and you've got a grit wheel here, and that's what these white strips stand for. These white strips stands for there's a grit wheel under here, so you can actually put a pinch wheel over the top of this grit wheel and use it over here. But in this case, I've got the media set into the cutter. I need to be about a ½ an inch in on the side of the material, and I want to be inside the grit wheel, which is this white strip here above. Tells me there's a grit wheel up under this material here. And then depending on, you can slide these other pinch wheels from the back, drive the back of it, and just slide it across and make sure it's engaged. And then with the pinch wheels up, I can move this next pinch wheel over, have it, make sure it's in the white strip. Gotta make sure they're in the white strip. And then I've got one over here on the far left-hand side of the media that's in the white strip there. So as long as your pinch wheels are in the white strips and they're engaged, you got them engaged, that's the key. All right. And we'll move this one over back, actually a little further. So now I've got, as you can see, I've got 1, 2, coming from left going to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 pinch wheels in this 72-inch cutter. There may be four pinch wheels in a 52-inch cutter, but there's 5 in this one. I don't have to use all of them, but if I'm not going to use them, then I need to make sure that I've disengaged it when I put the pinch wheels down. When I say put the pinch wheels down, is with this lever in the back up, then the pinch wheels are going to be up so I can move the media in. With the pinch wheel, with this lever down, I now have the cutter, I have the pinch wheels engaged, and they should be down. If you lean down, you should be able to look and see that they're down. Across there. If I want to disengage it with them down, with the pinch wheels down, you just push on the back, push down on the back of the pinch wheel, on the back side, push down on that lever, and that will disengage the pinch wheel. And you'll see there's a gap in between the media and the pinch wheel now. Re-engage it, pinch them together, pinch two pieces together. That puts the pinch wheel back down. All right, now we go to the cutter holder, the blade holder itself. I'm going to loosen up this screw here. I'm going to take this blade holder out just to take a look at it. And if I get it up real close here, and I don't really want it to be too close because it gets blurry, but you see just a little bit of that blade sticking out. Little bit of that blade sticking out. And that is all I need to cut through the vinyl and not cut through the backing. And I could put more force on the cutter and make it cut through the backing, but in this case I only need to cut through the vinyl, and I don't want to cut too deep. So a little bit of blade. I put the blade holder back into the cutter there, and you'll see, I mean, it's black, but you can see I'm sitting up. I've got this lip to the cutter, the blade holder, and it's sitting up on top. And you'll see in the doorway here that I bring in that there is a little notch for that lip to go into. I screw everything back in. Screw it back in. Excuse me. If I go down, I should be pushing down. I can push down on this by hand. right now, and I don't have that blade holder is not moving around at all. It also is not popping out. If I put my thumb under the screw and I push down on the outside edge of the blade holder, it's not slipping out. That tells you that the blade holder is firmly in there and is secured in there. Okay,